All right, congratulations. You want to start an LLC in Tennessee? I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that you need to take in order to do that. First, need to make a disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not actually going to file for an LLC in Tennessee because I don't have a business in Tennessee, but I will walk you through each step on how to do this. It's not hard. There are companies that will charge you $100, $200, $300 to do this. Claim it's for free, then it's hidden behind some sort of annual fee you have to pay in order to do this. There are a few things you have to think about when you are registering your LLC. First is going to be your business name. Obviously really important. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty on how you're supposed to pick out a business name, but there are a few things that you need to think about. One of those being you need to make sure that your name doesn't include words like bank, trust, nonprofit. There are other words that you're not supposed to use as well, but those are kind of the main ones. Those out of your business name. Another thing, your business name as an LLC will always have to include LLC. So if it's Bob's Lawn Care, it's going to be Bob's Lawn Care LLC. There are a couple more things. You're going to want to make sure that that name is available in your state. If you go to the Secretary of State website, which we are at right now, you can click on the businesses and you can do a name search to make sure that your name is available to use. And another thing too is make sure that your name is available for your website that you're going to create. The last thing you want to do is file your LLC, pay all the fees, only to find out that you can't use your business name or a website. So do a lot of that research beforehand before we get to this part of it. But now that we're here, if you click on the link below, it's going to bring you to this exact page. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to entity type and we're going to click on limited liability company. And then we're going to hit continue. You have to put that, all this information is going to be public. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your business name in here. So I'm just going to put something in and then let's see, you're going to confirm the name. The formation is going to be a domestic Tennessee business. So click on this. Then let's see. Yeah, you're not going to do any of these ones. So this is going to be optional. This is for if you're going to do like a professional, if you do like insurance or you're going to do a nonprofit or something like that. So you can skip this section. So put your name in here and then we're going to hit continue. So I'll do that and then I'll see you on the next page. All right, now on this next page, it's asking you what the period of duration is. I always select perpetual because you want to assume that your business is going to succeed and last forever. You want to have those good vibes. So do perpetual. The fiscal year close, select December. That's fine. If you want a delayed effective date, you can do that. I don't do that. Just as soon as it's filed, you want it to be effective. And managed by, we'll put a managed by member, and it's going to be one member and one member. Now, obligated member entity, this is something apparently you need to talk to your attorney about. If you have one, it's optional, so I'm not going to select it. And this one is this, if you want to add different documents to this filing, you can, and you just select this. I don't add any additional documents except for the absolutely necessary ones. All the necessary information will be in the information that you are adding to these forms. I don't ever add anything else. So I'm not going to select this, and I would hope that your business is not prohibited in Tennessee. So don't select that. And then we're going to hit continue. Now for this section, is just asking who's going to be the agent. The agent is going to be the person that receives all of the legal documents for your business from the state of Tennessee. It will also include legal documents, filings, notices, anything about your business. Tennessee just wants to know who we are sending this to. So you'll put all your information into here, and then we'll go to the next page. All right, now for this next section, it's asking you for the principal address. That is where the business is going to be located. Now, a lot of people will do this from their home, so you can put your home address if you want to do that. Now, if you already have a office or warehouse set up somewhere else, you would use that address as the principal address, and the mailing address, you'll just put the same as that principal address unless you want it to be different. You can choose that as well. So I'll fill all this out and then we'll get to the next page. Okay, so this is like the review section of this. Go through, double, triple check everything, make sure the business name, the address, everything is in there correct. Because if you submit this and you want to change something, it's going to be, depending on the state, $25 to $50, could be more, to go back and change something. So just double and triple check everything. Now, obviously, I'm not going to continue because I'm not going to submit this. So once you hit continue here, it's going to take you to the signature page. It's going to take you to the signature page. You're going to confirm all that information is correct and true. And then it's going to take you to the payment page. You're going to put in your credit card information and you will pay I believe it's $300 to set up the LLC. Now, once you submit that, Tennessee will send you a confirmation email letting you know that they received your submission. And then depending on the state, it usually takes about 3 to 7 business days for them to process that LLC. Once it is processed, they will send you a confirmation email that you are good to go. And along with that, you will get your articles of incorporation incorporation for your LLC. Your articles of incorporation are really important. One, it proves that you actually own an LLC in Tennessee, and you need the articles of incorporation for the next massive step of setting up your business, and that is getting your EIN. That's your employer identification number. It is your social security number for your business. You have to have this. You need it to set up a business bank account, to hire employees, to pay your taxes, to get insurance for your business. You have to get an EIN. Now, there are companies out there that will charge you $100, $200 to set this up for you. And the crazy thing about that is it's 100% free. Unlike an LLC where you have to pay a filing fee, getting your EIN is free and there's no reason you should pay for that. In fact, if you click on the link below, it'll take you to our page and that has a video step-by-step instructions on how to set up your EIN. We also have an amazing business starter pack that has all the documents that you'll need in your first year of business and beyond. It has an operating agreement that is completely customizable, and you'll need an operating agreement along with your EIN to open a business bank account. We also provide non-compete agreements, non-disclosure agreements, non-disparagement agreements, documents that you don't even realize that you need, but you definitely will. There are over 30 business documents that I've curated over the past 15 years of running multiple successful companies. I honestly wish I would have had this when I first started my first LLC. It would have saved me months of time and headache, not to mention probably thousands of dollars. The nice thing about this is a one-time purchase. Once you purchase this package, you have all these documents that are 100% customizable forever. Other companies will charge you an annual fee, and you will not have access to those documents if you don't pay your annual fee. We also have a community of entrepreneurs that can answer all of the questions you're going to have while establishing and growing your business. Questions like, how do I hire an employee? What paperwork do I need to have the new employee fill out? How do I fire an employee? How do I protect my company from legal liabilities? How do I deal with an angry customer? How do I deal with an angry employee? What do I do if I get a bad review? How do I get to the top of Google search results for my business? How do I create a website? What is some of the most effective methods for advertising through social media? We have answers for all these questions and more. Please go check out our business starter pack. It will be one of the best decisions that you make as a new business owner. Save yourself from all the mistakes that I made when I first started my business and click on the link below and get your business growing.